Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. Today's idiom is off one's rocker. It means to be extremely foolish, impractical, silly, illogical. You can also use it when you think that somebody's not agreeing with you and you think you are right, that person is wrong, so you say he's off his rocker. Natural. That's again calling names though, but yeah, people use it. But if somebody is really mentally sick, like he takes medicine for his mental sickness, then to say that that person is off his or her rocker is being insensitive. Don't be insensitive. If somebody is really mad, then don't call that person as somebody off their rocker. But yeah, normally as a way of chiding somebody, etc., are you off your rocker? Now, let's see the different ways in which we can use it. We look at different situations. How do you think does a student say, I think I'm going to go off my rocker if I have to sit and listen to that man's lecture once again. Man, his lecture is so terribly boring. I'm going to go off my rocker. I'm going to go off my rocker if that boy comes and tells me one more time that he wants to go on a date with me. A girl would say that, right? So look at another case. A school student maybe, how do you think he's going to react if his teacher tells him, I want you to do all the 100 algebra problems by tomorrow. I want to see your homework notebook on my table tomorrow with 100 math problems solved. What do you think the student is going to say? I think our math teacher has gone off her rocker. Gone off her rocker. Let's look at the work situation. In the workplace, if the subordinate is kind of frustrated and doesn't want to do what his boss asks him to do because his boss is being illogical, how do you think he's going to say? You want me to go to China for this project? Are you off your rocker? Well, rest assured that he's going to lose his job. But yeah, he can say that. You can hear this. So if your subordinate tells you that, it means he doesn't agree with you. He thinks you're silly. Or here's another one. I'm not going to work with him. I'm not off my rocker to work with him. He doesn't even acknowledge my presence. So I've got to be off my rocker to work with him. Now, among friends, for instance, if he thinks that she's going to agree to marry him with that kind of dress, he must be off his rocker. Here's another one. If she agrees to marry him, she must be off her rocker. He doesn't respect women at all. I've heard him call his mother names. So she must be off her rocker. Are you off your rocker to buy those shoes for 15,000 rupees? Never mind what brand it is. 15,000 rupees for shoes? You must be off your rocker. You're going to wear the red tie? You must be off your rocker. So, off your rocker, off someone's rocker, it means to be illogical, insensitive, also, sometimes yes, and downright silly, stupid. Do you know anybody who's off their rocker? Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.